Today we're comparing two modern VPN and networking solutions, Tailscale and ZeroTier, to help you figure out which one works best for your needs. Let's start with Tailscale. Tailscale is a mesh VPN built on the fast and secure WireGuard protocol. One of its biggest strengths is how easy it is to set up. Install the client, sign in with your Google, Microsoft, or other SSO account, and your devices are instantly linked as if they were on the same local network. It's ideal for remote access to personal devices or small team networks. You get features like fine-grained access controls, automatic NAT traversal, no firewall tweaking required, and end-to-end encryption by default. The trade-off? Coordination depends on Tailscale's own infrastructure unless you self-host using a separate tool like Headscale. Now onto ZeroTier. ZeroTier is a software-defined networking platform that creates a virtual LAN across the internet using its own custom protocol rather than WireGuard. It's extremely flexible, connecting servers, IoT devices, virtual machines, and more, even in complex multi-network environments. It supports detailed configuration, custom routing, and can be self-hosted without relying on a third-party coordination server. However, the learning curve is steeper, and the custom protocol might not appeal to those who prefer established VPN standards. Final thoughts. Tailscale is all about speed and simplicity. Perfect for small teams, freelancers, or anyone who wants a VPN that just works with minimal setup. ZeroTier shines for advanced users who want maximum control, custom network layouts, and IoT integration.